Alright, got something new to try and fly today. Got the Moonlight Kit from Cadex, Walksnail. I built up the Moonlight on the RVS Smolyeet from Rotor Village. Cool little 3.5 inch guy. Can fit 3.6 props. So that's what I'm going to try and rip around in the wind in the forest. Let's get to it. Alright, I've got 4 packs in on the Moonlight camera and VTX, and it's very nice. I still think the 03 is a little better in the goggles. I'll have to look at the footage after to compare what it records. I like that you can fly in high frame rate but record in 60 FPS. So it makes flying nicer than the 03. Range, lots of trees around me. I didn't really have any problem, but I also didn't go too far. I like the ND filter on here. They're not that expensive to replace either, so that's helpful. I'm glad these have an SD card and I'm not trying to take 4K footage off with a tiny little data cable. Another thing I noticed is make sure you set your white balance, because whatever algorithm it uses, it likes to flicker and it will ruin your footage.